top focus. In a fresh flashpoint between an opposition-ruled state and centre, the Karnataka government has decided to withdraw general consent to CBI to probe cases in the state. Now, the decision was taken by the state cabinet on Thursday amid the whole controversy surrounding Muda land allotment case. The Karnataka law minister announced the decision, saying there are concerns around the misuse of CBI. The Congress government, terming the Central Probe Agency as biased, maintains the decision has not been taken due to the ongoing Muda case. Remember, Karnataka becomes the latest opposition-ruled state to take powers away from CBI to probe a case without the state's consent. Listen in.
It is not only Karnataka, it is the entire opposition parties in the entire country has taken this decision. In view of that, Karnataka government also has taken.
Why, sir?
We don't want the CBI to misuse its power, so we have taken this call.
We are day in, day out expressing our concern that CBI is misused. They refuse to file charge sheet. They refuse to probe into that. Mines case, Mines Prakarana. Mines Prakarana, there are empty number of cases. Now I'm telling empty number of cases, not 1, 2, 3, more than that. Even in elections, only office bearers of one party were inquired. Supposing if Supreme Court takes some decision, what decision we have taken has no relevance. The reason is that they are biased.
तो मैं समझता हूं कि सीबीआई का जो उन्होंने विड्रा किया है, मुझे आश्चर्य कितना विलंब क्यों किया। उनको तो बहुत पहले ही कर लेना चाहिए था, जो 2 महीने पहले, लेकिन उनको ये लगा था मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा। तो अब उनको लगा कि मुझे बचने का एक ही रास्ता कि मैं सीबीआई से विड्रा कर लूं। क्यों कि लोकायुक्त आज भी उनके कंट्रोल में है और बाकी एजेंसियां उनके कंट्रोल में है, एसआईटी उनके ही कंट्रोल में है। इस कारण से उन्होंने ये कदम उठाया जो बहुत शर्मनाक है और कांग्रेस हाईकमान के लिए बहुत चिंता का विषय है कि उनकी बची खुची स्टेट भी यहां से जाएगी।